Welcome to Simple Code Hub, learning programming and coding made simple. Excel VBA Macro Magic. Before starting, ensure you have Microsoft Excel 2016 or latest, Windows recommend, basic understanding of Excel formulas, familiarity with recording macros, enthusiasm to learn. Enabling the Developer tab. Step-by-step guide. 1. File. 2. Options. 3. Customize ribbon. 4. Tick Developer. 5. OK. And unlocks previously invisible tools, Visual Basic, macros, and add-ins. Macro security settings, balancing safety and functionality. Left side shows a step-by-step navigation path in numbered boxes with arrows. File, Options, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings, and right side displays a software settings panel mock-up labeled Recommended Configuration, highlighting the option Disable all macros with notification. Structuring your VBA code, modules, and organization. Inserting a standard module. Right-click VBA Project, Insert, Module to create a new code container. Understanding module types. Standard modules store reusable macros and functions. Sheet modules hold worksheet-specific event code. Best practice, why separate? Keeps code organized and easy to manage. Reduces risk of accidental changes to event code. Opening the VBA Editor. Key shortcut and interface overview. Shortcut to open VBA Editor. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA Editor from Excel. Project Explorer, left. Shows all workbooks, sheets, and modules. Double-click any item to view its code. Code window, right. Main area to write and edit VBA code, used for creating macros and procedures. Write and run your first VBA macro. Open the VBA Editor in Excel, insert a new module, and write a simple macro that displays a message box. Once the code is written, run it by pressing F5 inside the editor or by selecting it from the Excel macros list to confirm that VBA is working correctly. Advanced VBA debugging and immediate window. Start by explaining F8, step-by-line execution, and demonstrate how to run the macro line by line while highlighting variable changes on screen. Next, introduce F9, breakpoints, and show how execution pauses at critical lines to inspect logic and prevent errors. Finally, open the immediate window and demonstrate printing variable values and testing small expressions live, emphasizing how these tools help identify and fix issues quickly. Saving VBA files correctly. Explain that VBA code is only preserved when the file is saved as .xlsm macro-enabled. Show that saving as .xlsx removes all macros automatically. Conclude by advising to choose the correct format before adding any VBA code to avoid data loss. Thanks for watching. Reach out with questions and stay connected with Simple Code Hub for more learning.